Data science relies on a variety of tools to gather, process, analyze, and visualize the data. In this video, we are going to discuss data science tools that are categorized into various categories. Let's start with the first category, data collection and storage, that is the root of data science. Under this category, we have SQL and non-SQL DB. The basic difference between SQL and non-SQL is SQL follows predefined schema. However, NoSQL follows a flexible schema, and so the application needing structured data, complex queries, and transactions uses SQL. However, big data applications, real-time web applications, IoT platforms, where the scalability are crucial, that can use NoSQL databases. For SQL, you can use MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle you can use. And for NoSQL, MongoDB, Cassandra, and Redis are the best example. Apart from SQL and NoSQL, users can use data warehousing and data lakes. The basic difference between data warehousing and data lakes are the purpose of data storage. Data warehouses stores structured data for reporting and analysis. However, data lakes stored structured, semi-structured, or unstructured any kind of the data. If we talk about tools, Teradata, Snowflake, Google BigQueries are some of the examples of data warehousing tools, and Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, Amazon EMR, Azure Data Lake are the example of data lakes tool. The next category we have data cleaning and preparation. For data cleaning, various programming languages can be used such as Python, R, SQL, Julia, Scala, Java, MATLAB, and others that we have all discussed in our last few videos. These programming languages provide a large set of the libraries that can be used for data cleaning. From Python, you can use NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Scikit-learn. Scrappy can be used for web scraping from Python, and Apache Spark can also be used. Programming language library supports for visualization as well. So from Python, you can use Matplotlib and Seaborn. However, from R, you can use ggplot2. So these programming languages provides a large set of libraries that can be used for data cleaning, preparation, and the visualization purpose. Coming to the next category, that is data analysis and exploration. Under this category, we have statistical analysis and machine learning. For this purpose, you can use SciPy from Python that can be used for scientific computing. Another library, stat models, can also be used that provides statistical modeling and testing. And Scikit-learn is also a machine learning library we have in Python. From R, we can use the base R and ggplot that can also be used for the data visualization. Next category is big data processing. Big data frameworks and tools plays a crucial role in data science by enabling the processing, storage, and analysis of large volume of data. The best frameworks and tools are Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, Apache Kafka, MongoDB, HBase, Amazon EMR, Google BigQuery, Tableau, and Microsoft Azure can also be used. Further, the next category we have is data integration and ETL. ETL, extract, transform, load tools are essential in data science for managing and processing the data from various sources into usable format for analysis. The best data integration tools are Apache Kafka, NiFi, Talent, Informatica Power Center. Apache Airflow can also be used for ETL tasks. If we talk about the cloud-based integration platform, then we can use Google Cloud Dataflow, Azure Data Factory, and SnapLogic. Jump to the next category, ML operations. Under this category, we have model management that is essential for deploying, monitoring, managing the machine learning models throughout their life cycle. So for this purpose, we can use MLflow, Kubeflow, Databricks, Amazon SageMaker, or Azure Machine Learning. On the other side, for building, training, and operationalizing machine learning models, we can use TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, XGBoost, or Keras. These tools help data scientists and machine learning engineers to manage the entire life cycle of models from experimentation to deployment in production environment. Next category, we have cloud platforms. Some of the best cloud platform in data science, we have Amazon Web Services, that provides Amazon S3, Amazon EC2, Amazon EMR, AWS Glue kind of services. Apart from that, we can use Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platforms, Amazon Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. Next category, we have BI and reporting. Business intelligence and reporting tool help for visualizing the data, generating insights, and enabling data-driven decisions making with organization. The best BI and reporting tools we have Tableau, Microsoft Power BI, MicroStrategy, Looker, IBM Cognos Analytics, and Domo. Jump on the next category, data governance and security. Data governance and security tools are essential to ensure data quality, compliance with regulations, and protection against unauthorized access or breaches. For data governance purpose, we can use Collabra, Data Hub by LinkedIn, Alison, and IBM InfoSphere Information Governance Catalog. For data security, we can use encryption tools such as AWS Key Management Services, Azure Key Vault. We can use data masking and anonymization tools such as Informatica Secure. Access control and authorization tools can also be helpful such as Apache Ranger and AWS Identity and Access Management. For data loss prevention, we can use semantic data loss prevention and McAfee data loss prevention. The last category, we have collaboration and notebooks. So notebooks provides interactive computing environment that allows data scientists to write and execute, visualize the code, as well as they can document their analysis. And we can use the Jupyter notebooks, Python notebooks such as Google Colab, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, R notebooks we can use for this purpose. Under this category, we have a version control as well that helps to manage the code, data, and model versions. It enables the collaboration, reproducibility, and tracking the changes over the time. The best tools we have GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, MLflow, SVN, and others. So these all are some best tools that are essential for data science, from powerful analytics platform to cutting-edge machine learning frameworks. These tools empower us to uncover insights and drive innovations. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content on data science and technology. If you have a favorite tool or a burning question, drop us a comment below. We love hearing from our community.